Crows can recognize individual human faces and remember people who hurt or help them for many years. Crows are among the smartest animals on Earth, with intelligence comparable to a 7-year-old human child. Crows can use tools, bend wires, and even plan multiple steps ahead to solve complex problems. Crows hold funerals for their dead, gathering silently around a fallen crow as if mourning. Crows can communicate detailed information, including warnings, food locations, and danger levels. Crows can hold grudges and will even teach their young to recognize dangerous humans. Crows can count, understand numbers, and remember sequences better than many animals. If this video amazed you, like, share, and subscribe to Animal Species World for more unbelievable animal intelligence stories.